Welcome, sweet friends. Today, I'm excited to share a detailed recipe for a dessert that never fails to impress, the Decadent Chocolate Lava Cake. With a perfectly crisp exterior and a molten, gooey center, this dessert is the ultimate treat for any chocolate lover. Let's dive into the details. Ingredients. For the lava cakes, 4 ounces high-quality dark chocolate, chopped into small pieces, 7 stick, 4 tablespoons, unsalted butter, large eggs, large egg yolks, 2 cup granulated sugar, 4 cup all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, optional, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract for extra flavor. For serving, powdered sugar for dusting, vanilla ice cream or whipped cream, fresh berries, optional garnish. Equipment. Needed: small baking dishes, 6-ounce size works well. Mixing bowls, whisk and spatula, microwave-safe bowl or double boiler. Sifter for flour if desired. Baking sheet. Oven instructions. 1. Preparation. Preheat oven. Set your oven to 425 degrees, 218 degrees so it's ready to go once your batter is prepared. Prepare ramekins. Generously butter the insides of your ramekins. For an extra touch, lightly dust them with cocoa powder or flour to ensure the cakes release easily after. Baking. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet. 2. Melt chocolate and butter. In a microwave-safe bowl, or using a double boiler on the stovetop, combine the chopped dark chocolate and unsalted butter. Heat in 20-second intervals, stirring in between, until the mixture is completely smooth and well blended. This should take about 40-60 seconds total. Set aside to cool slightly. 3. Mix eggs and sugar. In a medium bowl, whisk together the 2 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, and granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and slightly thickened. This step helps incorporate air for a lighter texture. If using vanilla extract, stir it in now. 4. Combine mixtures. Slowly pour the slightly cooled chocolate butter mixture into the egg mixture. Gently whisk until well combined. Sift the all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt over the mixture. Fold the flour in carefully using a spatula until no streaks remain. Avoid overmixing to keep the batter light and airy. 5. Fill the ramekins. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared ramekins. You can use a small ladle or a piping bag for a neat finish. Tap the baking dishes lightly on the counter to remove any air bubbles. 6. Bake. Place the baking sheet with the baking dishes in the preheated oven. Bake for about 12 minutes. The edges should be set while the center remains soft and molten. This is key for that classic lava cake effect. If you prefer a slightly firmer center, you can bake for an extra minute, but be careful not to overbake. 7. Serve immediately. Once baked, carefully remove the baking dishes from the oven. Let them cool for about 1 minute before gently loosening the edges with a small knife. Invert each baking dish onto a dessert plate. Dust lightly with powdered sugar, and serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish with a few fresh berries.